Hello guys, welcome back to Varsity Pagan with another video. Today I'm going to explain you Python training with Phanindra Arva. So let's have a look at it. So day one agenda is what? Let's have a look at it. Day one. First one is intro and history, introduction and history. Second is features and applications of Python. Three basics of Python, conditional statements, loops, and functions. So next, fun activities. Fun activities you can do menti.quiz.com quiz, rock paper scissors games, and also code debugging challenge. Can you do debugging of code? So is this possible with you? We'll check in this video. You must follow my guidelines so that you can understand and do well in your code of Python. So guidelines. Next guidelines. Mutual respect is key. So treat everyone's questions and ideas with respect. So here, no unfair means. Discussions are encouraged. So you can discuss with me in the comments. I am open to all your questions. So keep it interactive so that you can understand everything quickly early. But in the YouTube, you can't keep it interactive. You can interact with me by using comments. Ask questions but stay relevant. Feel free to ask doubts, but keep them on topic. Keep the environment positive. You must keep the environment positive. Support and encourage all learners. Don't discourage everyone and me also. One mic rule. If I am talking, you must listen. If you are asking me, I will answer the comments in the comment section. Programming. So programming is the process of giving instructions to a computer to perform tasks. So programming is what here? Programming is the task process of giving instructions. Different instructions are given to the computer to perform different types of tasks. Just like we use a recipe to cook food, we use code to tell computers what to do. So how we use recipe book to cook food? So same way we tell computers by using code what to do. Why to program? Automates repetitive tasks, solves real world problems, creates applications, games, and AI systems, and many more. So uh, these are the advantages of program which is Python. So next, what is Python? Python is an interpreted, object-oriented, high-level programming language with dynamic semantics. Python was designed to be highly readable, which uses English keywords frequently, whereas other languages use punctuation and it has fewer syntactical constructions than other languages. So Python is a very easy language when we compare to other languages of coding. Python has English words, English keywords, and also some few syntactical constructions. Rather, we compare with the other types of programming languages. Breaking down the definition. Interpreted. Python doesn't need compilation like C or Java. Code is executed line by line, making debugging easier. So Python, in the Python code is executed line by line, not throughout. If the throughout is done, there will be so many mistakes, so that the code will become complex to execute. So Python makes line by line debugging easier. So debugging means compiling line by line is called as debugging. Unlike C or Java, Python is executed by debugging line by line. Object oriented. Python follows OOP like classes, objects, inheritance, polymorphism. On this, I will discuss in next video. High level. Python uses simple human readable syntax compared to low level languages. C assembly, etc. You don't need to manage memory manually. So here you don't need to manage memory. Python uses simple syntax compared to low level languages. Low level languages are C and assembly, etc. History of Python. Guido von Rossum developed Python in 1989. You must understand this and you must memorize it because he is the inventor of the Python. Centrum Visconde and Informatica Netherlands. Officially released in 1991 as Python 1.0. Fun fact: User named Python after the British comedy show Monty Python's Flying Circus, not the snake. It's a fun fact because he named the Python uh, Python program based on the Python Flying Circus. It's a comedy show. Next, features of Python. Features of Python typically describes dynamically typed, object-oriented, large community support, open source language, large standard library, platform independent. It is platform independent. In any platform, we can write the Python program. Extensible and embeddable. High level language. It's a high level language. So, for the first video, today is completed. First video is completed. So, next video we'll discuss more about the Python. Till then, please subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, hit the bell icon, and activate the notification bar. Thanks for watching, friends. Bye.